हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। विंटर्स यहाँ शुरू हो गए हैं एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सो मच स्नो दैट वी सॉ ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन। First snowfall of this season. We were lucky that we saw it while coming from a place in our car. It was comfortable and very beautiful experience. वेस्ट कोस्ट जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं स्नोफॉल इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, इसीलिए ये हमने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया। लेकिन मॉर्निंग में नज़ारा कुछ अलग ही था। We stepped out to see how it is after entire night snowfall, which is very rare in this side of area. And this was the view as we stepped out in the morning. We have never seen our area turn white like this before. काफ़ी सालों के बाद यहाँ पर इतनी बर्फ़ पड़ी थी। It looked like a different place altogether. Snow के पहाड़ बनते जा रहे थे। Surrey has never seen so much snow before. It was new for almost everyone here. Let's see how different is Surrey during this snowy season. Government has made sure that roads are clean. The entire snow has been moved to the side and also it is melting as temperature were rising. But this was just a beginning. There was a snow warning in effect and we were expecting a lot more snow this night. तो देखते हैं स्नो स्टॉर्म के बाद नेक्स्ट डे किस तरह का नज़ारा था। नेक्स्ट डे Surrey has officially turned into a winter wonderland. Everything was white and it looked very beautiful. But that is just one part. We have to drive and go to work in such weather. It is very common in the east, but for the west side, it was all very new for us. We changed our car tires to snow tires and all the time we have to be careful driving very slowly because there were very high slippery conditions. We were thanking God that this is not a common phenomenon on this side. I can imagine that life is not easy for those who live in high winter condition and harsh weather like this. After work, it was time to party. Our friends invited over for dinner at their home and we crossed this beautiful path. और स्नो फन तो अब शुरू हुआ था। रोहित started snow fights out of nowhere. ध्यान से। घर के बाहर इतनी फ्रेश और पाउडरी स्नो देखकर सबको मन कर रहा था कि इसमें खेलें और एंजॉय करें। लेकिन ठंड काफ़ी थी और जल्द ही हम घर के अंदर आ गए टू एंजॉय इन वार्म एंड कोजी एरिया, स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ द सेंट्रल हीटिंग. We can still enjoy the snowfall from the window or through this balcony. और डिनर के बाद अब टाइम था वापस घर जाने का और रोहित को एक बार और स्नो फाइट करनी थी। रोहित नो! पहली बार हमारी कार पूरी तरह से स्नो में कवर हो चुकी थी। What kind of a car is this? Thanks to the heating system, car was warm and cozy and we were going back to our home through all the snowy roads in the night. It looked beautiful even in the night. Main roads were safe for driving because there was continuous cleaning effort done.
The one on the right, these are the hard working guys. You देखो, see नया?
Yeah, I can't see through my camera.
उसकी शाम देखो क्या कर रहे हैं बैठ के, ड्राइवर साफ कर रहे हैं.
They are the heroes. Doing it for us. नहीं हम नहीं जाएंगे, उसका इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे सारी.
देखो देखो पीछे सॉल्ट.
Salt spray.
Spraying the salt. You couldn't have believed that this is happening in Surrey in British Columbia.
Thanks to all the efforts, the roads were kept clean and safe for us. It was something very new for this side, and so we stepped out next morning again to see how this area looks, and it looked whiter than before. रोड्स काफ़ी क्लीन हो गई थी और इसीलिए हमने लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर जाने का डिसीजन लिया. Our first choice was to drive towards Vancouver and see how different the city looks, covered all in white. As expected, it looked totally different. It was not the usual Vancouver city for us, but it was some different winter wonderland where we have reached in just few minutes. So this rare snowfall lasted for a couple of more days, and we had many more surprises in store for us. स्नो में और आगे कैसे कैसे एक्सपीरियंस हुए ये मैं आपसे अपने नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में शेयर करूंगी. Thank you so much friends for joining me in this snowy vlog. This is just the beginning of my snow adventure and I'll be sharing a lot more ahead with you. I hope you will subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon.